Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to access Telegram if you forgot passcode. So let's get started. So if you have added a passcode on your Telegram application and now you forgot it, so now if you want to log in or just simply access your account but you don't want to enter the passcode, so now if you want to do that, then what you have to do is just simply head over to your Telegram, and from here just simply tap and hold on your Telegram and then tap on the eye icon, which is your app info. And after doing that, now what you have to do is just tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear storage and also tap on clear cache. So if this does not work, then what you have to do is just simply delete your Telegram, and after uninstalling your Telegram, just simply reinstall it, and after reinstalling your Telegram, it will not ask you to enter a passcode. So just simply do this and you will access your Telegram account without entering the passcode. So that's it guys, this is how to access Telegram if you forgot passcode. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.